address of last blank, directly they can go by clicking here. By clicking here, they can go last blank. Okay, for that reason only, they need to know where is the last blank. If it is E10, if they enter, it will jump to E10 automatically. So they will come to know where is the last blank to select the range. Understood? If you want, see, the cursor is here. Suppose the range we doesn't know still there. So what we have to do here? So when we know the last blank of address like C10, they will do shift enter. Sorry. Still automatically it will copy to C10. Did you got my point? They will see if they know the cursor is here. Again, I'm explaining for your better understanding. The cursor is here. So we want to jump to see, sorry, we want to select the range till the last blank. And they doesn't know if it is more than 1,000, they have to check it. If we find the address, then it's easy to find it out, and they will go like here, and they will click the cell address like C10 and shift enter. So automatically it will copy, it will select the range till C10. Right. Now here I'm going to explain you that thing. Done. See. First of all, what you will do, you have to check whether, wait a minute, is equal to if is blank. If is blank, select the range, the whole range like this. Okay. Close the parenthesis. If it is blank, if you find any blank, just copy this range from here. If it is blank, then what you have to do? You have to row of this, close parenthesis, not yet over, starting only. Okay. If it is blank, then pick up the row. Wherever it finds the blank, it will pick up the all rows. Okay. I will show you all the numbers wherever it finds the blank. See, 16, 10, 15. So we need 15, right? Because we need last blank. Max of. It will help you find the last blank. Enter. So it will help you the last blank. But we need the column, right? Column also we need for cell address, right? So what you have to do here, first of all, I'll go to address. Address of, this is no number, comma, select the column, that's it. Which column? This column. Any number from here. Close parenthesis, close parenthesis. By default, it will, here you can find, by default, it will give you the absolute. Okay. If you want, you can change it to relative row or relative column as your wish. So, that's it. Now, in 2010, it's an array function. It's updated. That is 365 I am using. So here no need to press Control Shift and Enter. It's normal function only here in B15 is the last blank. What they will do now, if they want any formula or they want to jump or they want to select the range from here, so what you will do, just they will go there, B15, shift enter. Sorry, not shift enter, sorry. I forgot it, not shift enter. B15, how to type? B15, shift enter. Done. They'll copy whatever they want, they can do by necessity. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. For more Amayas interview questions, please like, share, and subscribe. If you subscribe, whenever I upload a new video, you'll get a notification so that you are the first person who can watch this video. Bye, guys. Have a nice day.